Hi everyone, I'm Adrian Lufschanowski, President of Thrive FP.
And I'm JP Newman, CEO of Thrive FP.
And we'd like to talk a little bit about what it's like to be an investor with Thrive.
Our investor program.
And we base the relationship as the most important thing. So it's not about getting investors in our deals quickly. It's about getting them to understand what it is we do. Through that knowledge and understanding, we feel we create a lot of trust with our investors so that when we do have opportunities, when we send them out for funding, they get done pretty quickly.
Yes, and let's get to the big picture. What's our secret sauce? Why Thrive FP? Well, we really focus on commercial, multifamily housing and senior living. We call it our secret sauce because it's a category. Well, it's not just real estate. It's what we call gas, food, and lodging. It's the basics. In good times and in bad times, you always need housing, which is why it's always been a focus of ours.
And it does resonate with a lot of our investors because of cash flow, depreciation, and that consistency. Without, the stock market going up and down with no real collateral. Real estate is a hard asset that you can go touch and feel.
Which is why we've primarily focused on really either it's workforce housing, sometimes it's new development, but I think thematically what you're seeing in our investments is what we believe will be long-term cash flows. We tend to own apartments near big job centers where the Amazons are popping up, the big places are popping up. Great long-term demographics. So again, when things are great, boy, are they great with us. And if the cycle changes, which it does, it's a real estate cycle, we tend to be able to cut our expression is it's built to last. And that's exactly like what we want to do is build a cash flow, a great asset that will be built to last through good times and bad.
And I think the connection with investors really is our business plans.
Yes.
If they are too complicated and we need so many things to fall into place for a successful project, those are the deals that we're going to pass on. We like to keep it simple. We like the right locations. We like the right assets and the right tenant base that we want to cater to.
I think most importantly, as Adrian was saying earlier too, it's really important that you as the investor are empowered to make the right decision. And I think a lot of people in this world talk mumbo jumbo or try to make it over your head. And we are just the opposite. We really want you to understand through transparency, through simple talk. Adrian will talk to you for as long as you want Adrian to talk to you for. But the point is, we want you to go in with eyes wide open so you can make a great assessment. Is this the right risk and reward? Because we have different programs. We have debt, we have equity. Debt tends to be a lower risk program with a lower return. Our equity projects tend to be a little higher risk with higher returns. And the more you understand that and the more empowered you are, the better decisions you're going to make.
And not all investment opportunities translate for all the investors. Some want appreciation, some want cash flow. So we really try hard to cater to the investor and what it is they want. Knowing each person is my goal. So we actually build a relationship, whether it's on the phone or here at Thrive offices. And the goal is create that trust, not try to get you in a deal as quick as possible. That's really the last part of it.
It's long-term relationships. It's investing in a long-term relationship where you're thriving long-term.
And the advantage is we have 350 investors that we've created some wonderful relationships with that trust us whether the deals go fantastic or they go well but not like anticipated. And I think for JP and I, knowing that we do the right things, we do believe the results will come out.
And I think most importantly, no one can tell you that, as Adrian was saying, what's going to happen in the future with your real estate. But if you find a group, I think you'll feel here the culture here is like a family culture. And I think if you find a group that you trust, where basically they communicate often, which we do, quarterly newsletters, he's always available, I'm available. But I think that you're going to get a lot of communication. You're going to get clarity. You're not going to get a sales pitch where there's nothing to close here. We've been blessed with just a wonderful group of investors. And we're actually not looking, the nice thing is I would say for Adrian and I, we're not looking to get anywhere personally. I think our objective is to grow this intelligently. Ironically, it's grown exponentially to over $700 million of assets over the last 5 years. But again, that was just, I would say, our energy and the secret sauce. So we've been blessed.
Remember, I always tell people on the phone, there's no such thing as a dumb question. This is your hard-earned money, and you should ask the question so that you understand where your money is going and what you're investing in.
Last thing we're going to go, accredited investors only. If you don't know what that means, Adrian will explain it to you. But you do have to be an accredited investor to participate in our programs.
So please call us, come visit, and we look forward to speaking with you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.